While you were sleeping last night, somewhere in the world, an AI agent wrote 500 emails, closed 3 sales deals, filed 200 reports, and booked 50 appointments. No human, no breaks, no salaries. And the scary part, most people have absolutely no idea this is already happening. I want you to stop whatever you are doing for the next few minutes because the ones who are already using it, they are moving 10 times faster than everyone else. In this video, I will explain in the simplest way possible what AI agents are, how they work, and how you can go from knowing nothing to actually using and building one. Let's go. First, let me clear up something most people get confused about. You have used ChatGPT, right? You ask it something, it replies. Done. It's like texting a real smart friend, but an AI agent is different. It doesn't just talk, it actually does think. Think of it this way. ChatGPT is equals to a smart friend who gives you a good advice. AI agent is equals to that same friend who also pick up your phone, goes to shop and gets the job done for you. An AI agent can search Google, open website, write and send emails, fill out forms all on its own without you clicking anything. So how does an AI agent actually work? Let's keep it very simple. We humans use our brain when we solve a problem. We think, we decide, and then we do something. An AI agent is similar, but instead of a human brain, it uses something called a LLM. You can think of an LLM as the agent's brain. It helps the agent understand the task, decide what to do next, and keep moving step by step. So the agent does these things: think what is the goal, do, take one step, check, see what happened, repeat, keep going until the work is done. That's it. Think, do, check, repeat. Let me give you a simple example. You tell the agent, find the best laptops under 50,000 rupees and make a comparison. First, the LLM helps the agent to understand what you want. Then the agent looks for the laptops. It reads a few website. It picks out the important details like price, battery, and camera. Then it makes a simple comparison and gives it to you. You did nothing. The agent did the work step by step. That is how an AI agent thinks. Okay, now the best part. Let me show you how to build your first AI agent. No coding, no complicated stuff, just drag and drop thing. Okay, so I'll be using something called NA10 to build this AI agent. So this NA10 tool is free and you can install it on your own computer. So let me explain you what AI agent I'm building here. So I'm building an AI agent that automatically replies to emails. Whenever someone sends me an email, the agent reads it, understands what they're asking, writes a smart reply using AI, and sends it back automatically without me touching anything. So let's start with the installation. Open your browser and search for nodejs.org. Go to this official website to install Node.js on your computer. Okay, so here I'll click downloads. Okay, here if you can see, you can download it for your operating system. So I'm using Mac, so I have downloaded this Mac for Mac OS. So yeah, I have already downloaded this. To verify, once the installation is done, just go to your terminal or your command prompt or somewhere. Just do this node minus minus version and you will see this version available. That means the node is installed. Okay, now type this command as it is displayed on the screen to install the NA10. Alright, so it's asking password. I will just type okay. So here if you can see, it has installed NA10 and now I need to start the NA10. Okay, just type NA10 and it will start. All right, so now if you can see here, it has started. So now it is saying it is started in this port. So I'll just copy this URL and I will go to my browser and paste this link. Okay, now if you can see here, this is the N8N interface and it is asking to create account. So I will create my account here. I will put the password manually. Right. Okay, then I'll click on next. Okay, I'll just ignore this part for now. Click on get started. Alright, now I'll click on skip. Okay, so this is the interface. I'll click on the start from scratch. Alright, so here this is my workflow. Here this is how the interface looks. Alright, now I'll click on this plus icon here and I'll search for Gmail. Alright, okay, and this trigger, click on that. Okay, and click on this setup credentials. Okay, now it is asking for client ID and client secret of Gmail account. So I need to get this. To get this secret ID and client ID and secret, so I just need to go to this console.cloud.google.com. all right, okay, here I will search Gmail API. Okay, here it is, and I'll click on enable. Okay, all right, now click on this create credentials. All right, and click on this user data. All right, and click on next. Okay, now I will give my app name as N8N AI agent. All right, I will choose my email account. Okay, okay, so all right, now I will click on save and continue. Fine. Okay, now it is asking for auth client ID. So okay, in applications, select web applications. Okay, and scroll down. Here you can say authorized redirect URI. So here just go to N8N and here you can see this, just copy this. Okay, and come here and paste that URL here. Alright, now click on continue. Sorry, I mean create. Okay, it has created me. Okay, now I will click on this download here. Okay, so it has downloaded me this file. Okay, I will open this file. Open with okay, okay. So if you can see here, it has both client secret and client ID. So what I will do, I will just copy this client secret from here. Okay, all right, okay, okay, and I will paste it in this client secret. Similarly, I will copy this client ID from here. Okay, copy. Okay, I copied this. and okay, I will paste it. Fine. Okay, now I will go back to this client ID is same as this. Yes, correct. Okay, now sign in with Google. Okay, I will sign in. Okay, I have two-step verification. Alright, let me do this. Access blocked. N10 AI agent has not completed the Google verification process. Okay, actually we need to go for auth consent here. All right. Okay, and go to audience, and we need to add that email ID from which we are trying to log in, right? We need to add that same email ID in this uh, test users. Okay, in audience, go to test user and add that email from which you're trying to sign in. Okay. Okay, fine. I think it should work now. Okay, I'll click on sign in with Google again. I'll try to sign in. Okay, I'll click on this continue, and I will click on this checkbox, select all, click on continue. Client authentication failed. Okay, I think client ID or client secret, I have entered something wrong in that, so let me copy it correctly. Okay, so I'll copy client secret first. Okay, I think I have copied wrong client secret. Okay, I will copy this client secret once again, and all right. Okay, the client secret was wrong. Fine, and let me also copy this client ID once again and paste it. Okay, copied. Okay, okay, now let's try to sign in. Okay, wait, continue, select all, continue. All right, you can see here connection successful. So we have connected our Gmail with this N10 successfully. Yeah, first step is done. All right, now we need to integrate an AI agent. So let's click on this plus, and I'll select this AI and AI agent. Okay, you can directly search this. Okay, fine. Here define. Okay, here just copy paste exactly shown in the screen. All right, this is the prompt, and click on this plus icon here. Okay, now search for OpenAI chart model. All right, here it is. Okay, okay, now I'll click on this setup credential. All right, I need to do here. Okay, I need to add my OpenAI API key here. Okay, so what I will do, I'll just go to OpenAI official website. OpenAI official website. Okay, here login API platform. Okay, all right, So here API keys, create new API key. Okay, before creating, make sure you have added your billing. Alright, I have created my API key before. I will use that API key here. Alright, and I will click on save. Fine, my OpenAI is configured. Alright, now I will just change this model to GPT 4o mini to save my money. Alright, here it is. Okay, here it is. Fine. Alright, so I'll click on this plus. Okay, now I'll search for Gmail. Okay, here it is. Okay, here it is, send message. Okay, alright, under credential, make sure the email which you have signed in is connected here. Alright, here it is connected, my signed in email here thing. Okay, here just paste as it is shown in the screen. Okay, under 2. Alright, okay, now under subject also paste similarly shown on the screen, and in message as well paste this same shown on the screen. Fine. Okay, you should, okay, make sure you are in the expression. Alright, I'll close this. Let me try to test this once if everything is working fine. Okay, okay, here if you can see there is something error in a send message. Okay, I will click on this. Okay, here if you can see this command into it is wrong. I think F should be capital here for from. Just replace this with this shown on the screen. Okay, and click on execute once here. Okay, now it is working perfectly. Okay, now what I will do, I will just publish this so it will be activate. Okay, and it will be keep looking my Gmails, and it will try to reply back to the person who has sent me the mail. Alright, now it is active, and I will open my another Gmail account from which I will try to send a mail to that email to which I have signed in. Alright, so I'll go here. Okay, compose. Okay, to that email ID. Alright, subject okay, meeting. Hi buddy, you have meeting tomorrow. Tomorrow spelling. Okay, please attend. Alright, thanks and regards. I'll just enter something KKK. Alright, and I will send this. Okay, now I will log into that email ID. Okay, here. Okay, let me see if I got that mail. Okay, let me refresh. Alright, if you can see here, it has given me this, it has sent me this mail. Okay, now I'll go to this sent here, and I'll see. Okay, if you can see here, my NA10 successfully sent, my agent successfully sent back the message to the person who has sent me the mail. The meeting tomorrow, right? Hi KKK, thank you for a reminder. I will be sure to attend meeting tomorrow. Best regards. All right, guys, this is working. So congratulations, guys. We have created our first AI agent using n8n. All right, so if you find this video cool and helpful, please hit the like button, and also please make sure to subscribe to my channel, because I'll be bringing more tutorials on AI agents and many coding stuffs and many things in the future. So please, to keep updated, please subscribe to my channel. That would be helpful for me as well. Thank you, guys.